I'm going to show you how to create your happy place posts and how to share it using templates. So if you're looking for a quick way to create a post, especially for our happy place assignment, and you want to use some pre-existing templates, this could be a great place for you to start. So one of the ways that I started was I was actually looking for a place in Canada, which was actually the old port. So I decided, at first I did Montreal because it was in Montreal, but it didn't show me enough examples. So then I made it a little bit more of a broader search because Canada would probably have a lot more, and I was right. So I found all these different examples, and in this case there were 23. And then I decided on using this one. So I chose create. And I did this so that I wasn't starting from scratch, but it would have still some of the branding like for Canada, because my place is in Canada, that I wanted. And then what I did is I replaced the images. So I just click on the image and I click on replace. And right now it's showing Canada, but I wanted ones for the old port of Montreal. So when I do that, it shows up a bunch of images from the old port of Montreal. So you can get super specific and find the images that you're looking for. So again, I'm going to put in old Montreal, and I wanted, I chose the vertical if they were vertical and horizontal if they're horizontal. So I can go in and find some places that resemble what I'm looking for. So this is old Montreal. And I can go in and switch them out. And then I can explain over here why. So my happy place is Montreal. The old Montreal. So I have that there. And then, maybe over here, I'm going to explain why. I love, it reminds me of my childhood since I am from there. So I add a little more context. Why I love old Montreal. And then I can make it a little smaller. And then I can go in and add more information. So when I'm ready, let's say I would take that off and I would, be able to fix it. Once I'm ready, I will go either to download and I can save it as a JPEG, which I recommend you doing for this one because it looks so nice when you just upload it. If you're using the video one, if you just decided you wanted to make a video instead, you would then just share and publish and get the link. So that's what I would recommend if you were making it as a video. But if you're doing just the visual, I recommend that you put the visual in. It looks beautiful. So once you have it, you then will go to the Google Maps and insert it, which is on the next video. All right. Can't wait to see what you create.